Ramantana, hindi ba nakashoot?
Nag-blob kami.
Diblab.
So how's just holding right now?
Kami yung nasa likod mo, Gia. Nasa south.
Yeah, you have space southwest, okay? If you can see my ping, you can bomb them from here. You can kite towards southwest down the road.
Sige.
Careful east side of you, okay? Southeast of you, that's gonna be western. So
North side, 5. North side, 4, 3, 2, 1. North side.
Mogi, just hit them southeastern now.
Okay,
If you
okay.
wanna engage, you know, you have
Discord.
the opportunity right now.
Mount me guys, regroup team, regroup. Regroup muna.
Ose.
Mount up muna. Hold muna dyan.
Punta po si guys.
Nakita na tayo ng hounds ha, ex-bandit. Dito na.
Wait.
You're still good. You have space. So they're
First
still
round
fighting
towers,
right
huh?
now. Northeast of me. That's house, okay?
Okay.
Directly northeast of you right
Okay,
now.
okay, get ready.
Okay, that's gonna be two screens away from you.
Check ko si
Two screens go deeper.
Yung screen daw, ano.
Okay, just walk lang muna.
Okay, they just got bomb again. You can just push it towards northeastern now if you want.
Wait.
They're kiting towards eastern now. There's two screens away from you right now. Two screens.
Okay.
Screen, ano, balon eh.
Wait. Robe now. You're gonna east
You
deep.
can get ship in the choker now. Northeast of you.
4, 3, 2, 1. Everything there. Nice one. Come back fast. Come back. Just walk muna.
You're good.
We just engage.
You're good.
Just engage, ah. Okay, first
They're
rope.
looking at us right now. They're looking at us right now.
Just walk south. Stop, you know. Okay, get ready. Robe now. Here, robe here.
They get hit again.
Get ready. Robe.
You just engage. You have the chance right now.
4, 3, 2,
Deep.
1. Deep on me. Okay, come back.
That's western. Come back. That's western.
Come back fast.
Okay, they're inside the terry right now. You can take northwest side angle of the terry right now if you want. You don't have any space right now.
Ay, gago.
Come test.
Mount up. Balon pwede ikaw ang mo head dito balon.
Robe muna on me.
You don't have a space right now, okay? You need to take west side of you.
Nag-merge sila sa atin,
Come
nag-merge.
to me. Come to
Sige lang,
me.
okay lang yan.
Mugi just engage right now. That's gonna be
Okay,
too
robe
deep for you.
Robe on me now. Robe on me. You get ready inside of us. No.
Can engage?
East deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall lang. Okay, come back fast.
No mana.
We go south here.
Ang ganda.
Wala par.
Okay, jacket on me.
Mana on me. Ang wala yung dili ni dugman na gawas.
Okay, come to me.
Nawa kasod si blind.
Okay, me.
Jacket to.
Okay, robe me. It's okay. Yo, north. Walk, north. Get ready, north in 5, 4,
They're the west side of you right now.
2, 1. Okay, fail. Come back.
Yeah.
They're too deep na.
They're full focusing on Sabong right now.
Come to me, come south lang.
Careful, you're northwest.
Yeah, western yan. Come south. Come south. Come to me.
Mana sa side. Overside click.
Two skills away from you, okay? Two skills away from you.
Blay. Pag 1, good Blay. Pag W4, pag W floor. 4, W4.
Two skills away from you. Actually, two and a half skills away from you.
Tignan ko
North side of you.
Okay, come south. Out, east,
That's
out.
too deep for you. You need to be careful. They might try to engage you.
Yeah, south.
Oo, yung
Come
ano,
back.
konti na lang buhay nung
Si Wobak, huwag niyo patayin yan, ha?
tawag
Ito,
dyan.
ah.
Chariot. Ganyan yung chariot.
Any info?
North side of you now. North side of you. They're full face here now. You can do shallow, but you need to be careful.
Come south.
One screen away. One half screen away from you right now. Actually, we're surprised inside there now. You can walk in. You can hit them northwest of you. Okay, northwest of you. Deep northwest of you. Deep northwest of you. Okay.
Robbie.
Deep northwest of you. It's clear to gauge. You're clear to gauge.
5, 4, 3,
You can wipe this. We can wipe this.
Shallow lang. Okay, come.
Too deep. You need to be too deep.
Silence ako.
No, they got merged.
Silence.
You can take west side of you right now. You can actually they got an overdrive now. I think.
We go, come to me. We go mount up here. Mount up muna.
Burns.
Come to me.
Northwest na
Follow me.
punta, ano, alam.
They're fighting inside. They're fighting inside. You can walk inside. Can you see my ping? But they're mixed right now. They're mixed right now with Western.
Okay, dismount here,
Okay, careful, that's western, okay?
Dismount,
Inside of you,
dismount,
that's western.
On the stack,
Careful,
stack,
inside of you, that's western, okay? Inside of you is western. Northeast more, northeast more of you. Sorry, hounds, okay?
Alright.
Southeast side of you, that's western, careful.
Western.
Deeper northeast, that's them. Deeper northeast, they're inside the center right now.
Okay.
Western just engage right now. You have clear west side of you. You can see my ping. West side stairs, you can engage here.
Baluni ka ng uwan, no? Ingidyan ta, no?
West side of me. If you can see my ping, west side of me, you can go deep.
Maka.
Northeast, but you need to be careful southeast of you, okay? They're deeper right now.
Parang depth na,
They're inside the tower.
Come out.
Tulo ra tong...
Balik.
Ba't
Kini.
yun na lang na tong mga guards ba?
Mogi, just take north side of you right now. You can bomb to where Mogi is. Northwest of you right now.
Okay, come back here. Okay. Yo,
Layo kayo na,
stuck. Okay,
Layo kayo na.
come stuck to me.
Stuck to me
Now.
You can engage. You're looking at you right now, but you can shallow engage, okay?
Yo, gonna shallow engage, ha? Get ready. Shallow
looking at
engage. East. 5, 4, 3, 2,
They're looking
1.
at you,
Shallow lang.
Careful.
Come back.
Let's follow them.
Get ready, Giga. Get ready. West. Come southwest. Keep walking. Keep walking.
You're good. You can get towards southwest.
Okay, come south.
You're still good.
Regroup to me.
They're going back right now.
Regroup to me now.
You're going back right now.
Effective ko mag-ano ganito.
Come to me. No, walk now. Walk.
Mag-heal.
Oh, roll to me. Stuck on me. Roll. You look up east deep. Get ready. Walk out now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Drop here. Okay, come back.
Pataying guard, boy.
Come back. I need jacket. Stuck on me. Jacket here.
Biro, nakuha ko ni mo biro doy sa wall. Dili ta makasakay.
Stay na lang.
Q-dubs na lang sa guards.
Q-dubs na lang
Q-dubs sa guards.
Southeast of you, that makes you can bomb them from him to south. Actually, you have a good angle right now. They're too deep right now. They're too deep. Southeast.
Stuck here on me. Get ready. Okay,
They get bomb hard.
Hey, robe now. Yo, east deep here. Get ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Come back. Wala tayong napatay siya. Okay, get ready. Jacket here. Keep walking. Okay, robe. I mean, jacket.
Magtutulak ako papunta sa inyo ah.
Hindi tayo nade-defend ng mga tank nila. Kailangan pwede tayong mag-deep ata.
Southeast of you right now.
Hindi nakatingin sa atin yung mga...
Actually, my ping south side of you, that's deep, that's south. Okay, you need to be careful. They're looking at you. They're looking at you.
Come back. They're looking.
Mugi, engaging
Left ka lang.
Okay, just engage. You can hit them right now.
Herb now. We're gonna hit shallow engage in 5, 4. Choke now. Nice one. Come back. West.
You can go back. You're good.
Jacket here. Reset. Use double inside lang. Okay. Okay. Wait. Second robe now.
You're good. They're backing up right now.
Okay, come back. Come to me.
One screen away from you now.
Come again.
South side of you. Hard shot of you. Careful. You might get.
Robe here. Me. Stuck on me. Stuck. Robe. We're gonna follow them southwest deep in 5. Follow. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice one.
Careful. Western, southeast of you. Careful, south.
Northwest side.
It's okay. You're still good. You can get towards northwest.
Just keep walking. Follow me. We're gonna trap them. Okay. We're gonna trap them.
Southwest of you right now.
Get ready. Keep walking.
West side over the wall.
Stuck on me. West deep in 5. No. That's Western already. Western na yan. West step on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West. Okay, nakapatay siya. Mount up tayo.
Utang ina luyo. Puro gipampitik.
Mount up. Yan na siya, Agila. Wala pala Agila doon. Come to me. Dismount on me. Dismount on the car na. Ready. Hold lang muna. While waiting for the other.
They just engage.
Okay, come to me. May blaze. Wait. Hold muna. Put up,
Map check.
check out.
Map check. Map check.
Kaya na, pindot ko yan. Hold. Spread. Careful pamabang kayo. Okay, come southwest. Come northwest. Just slowly inching up. Slowly. Sorry. Okay, get ready. Yo, defend. Nice. Okay, walking now. Just walking. Yo, I'm gonna faking inside. Really, I'm gonna fake now. Okay, get ready. At the choke east, deep east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, everything at the choke now. Okay, walk with them. Fight. Walk. Catch them.
Na-direct perma, duha ka buok.
Tulog na sana ako.
May primal sa west, northwest.
Ano yan guys?
Tinuhog
Start cupping.
Oh, makatakbo siya. Ping kayo kung ano.
Gusto mo tumakbo dun? Ano yan,
Ay,
dismounted sila
nagulog
dito.
open.
Na-open na.
Dismounted sila dito guys.
Here.
Okay, help.
Help.
South.
We need help here.
Go fight. Come to me on the ping.
Diyan, trap na sila.
Catch them.
Trap na sila dito, bamo. Oh, kitang-kita.
What the fuck?
Kitang-kita ko yung
Dito
bamo.
south guys. Huwag kayo mag-mount. South.
What the e?
Na-purge.
Hindi umabot. Yun?
Hindi umabot talaga. Ang layo na ni.
Buti na lang hindi sa nila yung outpost, baka narat na kanina pa. May isa pang isa tuloy. May isa pang nakaano dito. May tingin na. Ito sa west.
Armor doors eh.
Ayan.
Nice, Jay.
Ayun na, Jay. Dismount the sky.
Gago, nawala na yung outpost par.
Nice.
Ano?
Fuck.
Hindi na pala talagang wala yan.
Nakuha
Yo.
na. Tangina.
Tinuhog sa shit. Hindi ko na to.
Kinuha? Hindi rat, no?
Nabuksan.
Nirat lang par.
Pero di naman coalition, di ba?
Pero isa ang kupal.
Safe zone, di ba yan?
Yung ano nila, yung na sila.
Okay, dismount. Respect the wall, guys. Baka may yan.
Invite nyo na lang kaya si Haki. May isang slot pa naman.
You can rehost ya, para sulit.
Oh no.
Yo, walking. I'm gonna fake northeast. Walking now. Okay, ready. Hold. They were trying to pinch up move backward backward. West ba?
8%.
Get ready breaking. Get ready defend. We're gonna counter engage lang. Yo, look at this death tank inside of us. Get ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the inside of me.
Silence ka dito.
Southwest. Nabawasan nila yun. Get ready defend Their color is inside. Defend.
They miss.
Okay, come back. You look at the gate. Get ready. Hold. Inside na lang. Inside of us. Get ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside na lang. Inside here. Kill this. Okay, come back and spread. Come back and spread. Ano itong ginagawa ng isa? Oh, patay niya na yun. Defend. Guard ready. Defend defend. Up your giga if you're, defend na. There's a fake. Okay, come back. They still have engage. Get ready. Defend. Full defend now. Get ready. Spread. Yo, look at me. Northwest live in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Counter engage inside. Oh my god. Hindi kayo naka-defend dun. Come back inside. Dami namatay. 1, 2, 3. Apat. Come back inside. I think we can still clap.
Piste, bati up kapataya.
Come back inside. Hili.
Layo pa na nilakad mo, Daddy B.
Ipiling. You're gonna hit the gate Get ready. 5 seconds. Get ready at the gate. Slowly inching. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At the gate now. Get ready full defend, get ready full defend here. Okay, come back. Ito yung color nila, si Burns. Tangina, dyan ka pala Burns, ano?
Oo nga, ba't ganyan?
Come back. We play on the middle. Come back. Comes out. Let them in.
Uy, ang aga ng ano. Guard
Tatlo na lang. Come back. Hindi, we're gonna brawl inside. Can still, Yeah, we're gonna kidnap this time. Wait, they're waiting for counter engage. Come back lang. Just hold inside. Don't go to the fly. Pull them south, please. Where are they going? They're bunking in the other gate. Yeah, we're gonna full engage at the northeast. Come to me. Full engage northwest. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full engage here. Get ready to defend also. Get ready to defend. They're looking I'm gonna fake now, get ready. Ilang percent? 23%. I'm faking. Tang ina na silence. Patapak ng tae. Come back inside na. Come back inside. We're gonna do counter engage now. You're walking, I'm gonna fake deep. Faking deep northeast. 5. Faking lang. Okay, come back. Come back now. Yo, latak ka on 5, 4. Wait. Come back. Help the front. Nice, Jay. Nice. There. You're full engage on me. Dakan. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage on me. Dakan only. Wait, come back. Cutting damage. Come back. You slowly them. Slowly brawl them. Defend inside. Defend. Oh no. Okay, we're gonna counter engage northeast deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep now. Everything here.
Itong kalabaw maaala na to.
Come back.
Tidismount na to.
Come back.
Side by side, guys.
I think we can still do this, guys. If mag-ready sila. Come back west. Let them come inside. Come west. Walk with me. Ipag-ready natin sila. Just stay south and west lang. Hold. Coolers looking inside. Wait. I'm gonna faking. Get ready full defend here. Come back south. Sino yung nasa likod? Namamatay. Bahamo. Wala yun eh. Bahamo. Come back. Let them come inside. Pull them hard. Yo, look at east deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Drop everything in. Ay, spread lang. Try defend here. Spread lang. We can still we have 3 healers. Spread in heals. I'm gonna fake defend, full defend here. Nice. Okay, keep rolling inside. I'm just faking. You're full engage at the north in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me, on the car only. We almost killed that. Comes out. Wag, don't go there. Don't go northeast. Come back lang. We're just gonna play inside the castle. Yo, they're looking. Careful now. Yo, we're gonna hit there, no. No, defend. You, look at this. Counter engage. Get ready inside of us. Get ready. I'm gonna faking. Okay, get ready. Full engage inside of us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything here. Oh my god, natutulak ako. Come back. Spread lang. Just keep spreading. You have engaged in 5 seconds. Get ready. Spread lang. Keep healing and spread. Help Recta. They're gonna engage. I'm gonna engage. Hold. Come west now. Defend. You full engage inside of us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full engage here. Okay, defend. Okay, get ready to defend. Defend. I'm dead.
Walaan.
sayang. GG's. Sayang pa. Kulang DPS natin.
Sayang.
Sobrang na sila. Nalulo na sila sa mga mga mortar lang. Okay. Bagay, ang lit na din kasi natin.
Oh, if we have more brawlers siguro. Kaya na.
Lang, kaya ni Bod, nangyari.